Weldon! Nice! Here it comes.
There he is.
Oh my gosh, it's Monstro!
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it and then I'll get a picture. Don't go under yet, buddy. That's awesome. Oh, he's coming for us.
Coming straight at us.
Woohoo!
Oh, it's coming straight for us. Oh, look at that tail.
Oh my god, how awesome!
Getting above the water, look at him.
That's cool. Oh, that's so cool.
No, flipper.
That's, yeah, hopefully. They might not fluke, but... Yep, there it goes.
Ah.
Oh, come on, buddy, fluke.
Oh.
Dude, that's amazing.
That's awesome.
Oh. Oh, look how big he is. Oh my gosh, so cool.
Right there, right there, here it comes. Look at the tail,
Wow. Don't go back under yet, buddy. Come on.
Wow.
Oh my god. Woohoo! That is so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get some pictures.